Hello, good evening. Good evening, good evening. Hello, Thyme. Hello.
Hello, teacher.
Hello, good evening, Thyme, and welcome again to our class for today. How are you, Thyme? How are you? How are you today? Are you happy? Are you
Happy.
okay? Oh, okay, happy. Okay, let's practice saying, I'm happy.
I'm happy.
Okay, good job. So that is good to know that you are happy. So now, did you already eat? Did you already eat your dinner? Yes or no?
もう夕食は食べましたか？
Did you already eat? Yes.
Yes.
Oh, yes. Okay, very good. That's so nice. So meaning you have energy to have our class today. So are you ready? Are you ready for our class for today? Yes or no? Ready, ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? Yes or no? Mm,
Yes.
yes. Okay, let's say yes, I'm ready.
Yes,
Yes.
I'm ready.
Okay. Yes. Okay, do it like this. Yes, I'm ready.
Yes,
Yes.
I'm ready.
Okay. Wow, very good. Perfect. So now let's continue the lesson that we have last time. But first, before we continue the lesson, so let's review the words that we had learned last time. So let's start with this first picture. Okay, let's take a look. What animals are this? What animals?
これらはどんな動物
What
です
we
か？
What animals are this? These are zeb, ze-
in
zebras.
zebra.
Okay, very good. One more time. What animals are these? Thymie?
これらはど、
Zebra.
Okay, wow, very good. So let's say these are
These are
zebras.
zebra.
Okay, nice, very good. And what are the zebras doing? What are the zebras doing?
シマウマたちは何をしているの？
They are? What are they doing? What is this? They are or they
They are and
run.
long.
Okay, so the first word that we had learned last time is run. Run. Okay, let's say run, run, run.
Nom, nom,
Run.
nom.
Run. Okay, now Thymie. What are the zebras doing?
シマ、シマウマたちは何をしているの？
What are the zebras doing?
Some.
Run. Wow, very good. So we can say they are running. They are running. Running, running,
Running,
running.
running, running, running.
Okay, wow, good job. So next, let's look at this animal. What animal is this? It's a it's a what? What animal? It hops. What animal is this? I think you know this animal. It's a
It's
kangaroo.
kangaroo.
Okay, very good. One more time, Thymie. What animal is this?
What I now say, kangaroo.
It's a kangaroo. Wow, very good. And what is the ability? What is the ability of the kangaroo? Hmm.
カンガルーの能力は何ですか？
What is the ability? Hop, hop.
Hop, hop,
Very, very good. So the kangaroo hops. Okay, can you hop? Can you try to hop like this? Hop, hop. Okay, so kangaroo hops or jumps. So jump and hop is two similar words. So meaning they are jumping, they are hopping like this or like what kangaroos do. So next, let's go to our okay, what animal are this? What animals are these? Is it a bear? Is it a bear, Tiny? Is it a bear? Yes or no?
それはクマのタイ
yes,
ニーですか？
Yes, very good. It is a bear. What kind of bear or what is the name of this bear? It
yes,
is, or these are
these are
polar bears.
polar bear.
Okay, very good. One more time. What animals are these, Thyme? These are, what animals are this? These are
Is a
polar bears.
polar bear.
Okay, very good. So, what are the bears doing? They are, what is this? Look at teacher, look. What is teacher doing? Teacher is,
Is
what is this? Swim. Teacher is
swim.
swim. Swim, swim, swim. Okay, so the polar bears are swimming. Okay, one more time. Let's say swimming or
Swimming.
swim. Swim, swim, swim.
Swim, swim, swim.
Okay, very good. So that is what polar bears can do. So next, how about this? What animals are this, Thyme? What animals are this? So it has a long trunk or what we call nose in people. So what are these animals?
People.
Huh? These are people?
これらの動物は何ですか？
What are these animals? This is or these
This
are
is an
elephants.
elephant.
Okay, very good. One more time. What animals are these? These are
These are
elephants.
elephant.
Okay, very good. And let's take a look. What are the elephants' abilities? So what are they doing or what is their ability? They, they what?
They
They walk, walk,
they walk.
walk, walk.
What? What?
Okay, very good. So again, let's review about these abilities. Okay, let's take a look first at this animal. What animal is this again? Thyme? What animal? This one. Look at the picture. What animal is that? Hmm, what animal? It's
And
what animal?
これらの、これらの動物は何ですか？
Hmm,
mm,
what animal is this? It's elephant.
and
Elephant. Okay, let's try this one. Can you try to clap your hands like this? Or can you show teacher hands like this? Tiny. Okay, can you show your hands like this? Show your hands like this. Then, like this. Do your hands like this. So we will say elephant, elephant, elephant.
Elephant, elephant, elephant.
Okay, very good. Can you try to clap your hands like what teacher is doing? Okay, this one.
先生がやっているように手を叩いてみてください。
Okay, like this. Elephant, elephant, elephant.
Elephant, elephant, elephant.
Okay, very good. So next, what is their ability? What is their ability? They,
の能
Ability.
力は何ですか？
what is their ability? They
They
walk, walk, walk.
walk, walk, walk.
Okay, one more time. Elephant, elephant, elephant. Walk, walk, walk.
Elephant, elephant, elephant. Walk, walk, walk.
Okay, very good. So next, this one. Let's see. Let's look at this animal. Let's say polar bear, polar bear, polar bear.
Color bear, color bear, color bear.
And swim, swim, swim.
Swim, swim, swim.
Okay. Polar bear, polar bear, polar bear. Swim, swim, swim.
Swim, swim, swim.
You forget the name of the animal. Let's say polar bear, polar bear, polar bear.
Polar bear, color bear, polar bear.
Okay, one more time. Pa, pa, polar bear.
Polar bear.
Okay, nice. Very good. Next, kangaroo, kangaroo, kangaroo.
Kangaroo, kangaroo, kangaroo.
Hop, hop, hop.
Hop, hop, hop.
Okay, let's mix it together. Kangaroo, kangaroo, kangaroo. Hop, hop, hop.
Kangaroo, hop. Hmm.
Okay. Okay, so next, last one. Let's say this one. Zebra, zebra, zebra. Run, run, run.
Lum, lum, lum.
Where is the name of the animal? Okay, let's say zebra, zebra, zebra. Run,
Zebra,
run,
zebra, zebra.
run, run, run.
Lum, lum, lum.
Okay, very good. So that is the abilities of the animals that we had learned last time. So now let's learn a new things. So let's learn some sentence that we have here for our lesson. So let me just open the sound for this activity or for this sentence pattern. Okay, let's just open Unit 6, 27. Okay. And
Page
after this,
58.
so after this sound, so we will read the sentence that we have
Page
here.
58. C. Listen, ask, and answer. Then practice.
Okay.
Can zebras run?
Yes, they can.
Can penguins run?
No, they can't.
Can't. Cannot.
Okay, so now let's read our sentence here, Thyme. So let's say first, can zebras run? Can
Yeah.
let's say, can zebras
Can zebra
run?
run?
And the answer is yes, they can.
Yes, they can.
Very good. Can penguins run?
Run.
Okay, let's say, can penguins
Penguin
can
can
penguins
penguin
run?
run?
No, they can't.
No, they can.
Okay, very good. So, Taimi, if we have this question, so can zebras run? Can penguins run? So we use this question, we use can to ask about abilities, or what we say, the things that animals or peoples do. For example, can the Taimi run? Yes or no? Can Taimi run? Yes or no?
タイミは走れるか
Can Taimi run? Yes or
Yes.
no? Yes. Okay, very good. So you can say, yes, she can. Or yes, I can.
Yes.
Okay, so for so how we answer this question is based on the subject. So since in this sentence pattern we have zebras, meaning we have two or more zebras. So we will answer it using they. Yes, they can. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. And if the question is, can you run? Can you run? Meaning you are being asked if you can run. So you can say, yes, I can.
Yes, I can.
Okay, very good. But if other people ask someone if they can run, for example, teacher, can teacher run? So if I answer it, I will say yes, she can. So we will
Yes,
use, okay,
yes,
she
can.
can. Okay, very good. We will use he or she. But for this example that we have, so it is about plural or two or more animals or people. That is why we will use yes, they can. Okay? Like, okay,
Yes,
let's have some another example. Thymie, can can polar bears swim? Yes or no?
北極熊は
yes,
泳げますかはい。いいえ。
What is your answer? Yes or no?
yes,
Okay, very good. So instead of just saying yes, we can say yes, they can. Yes, they can.
yes, they can.
Okay, one more time. Can polar bears run? Yes or no?
Yes,
Yes, we will answer yes, they can.
yes, they can.
Okay, one more time. Can polar bears run? Yes or no? Can polar bears run? Timey? Can polar bears run? Yes or no? This one.
北極熊は走れるかはい。いいえ。
Yes or no? Can polar bears run? No? Are you sure they cannot run? So yes, they can run. They can run. So our answer will be yes, they can.
Yes,
Yes, yes,
yes,
they can.
they can.
Okay, very good. Next, can penguins run? Yes or no?
Yes,
Are you sure they can run?
ペンギンは走れますかはい。いいえ。
now,
Yes or no? No. So penguins cannot run. So our answer is no. They can't. No, they can't.
no, they can.
Okay, very good. One more time. Can penguins run? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes? Is it a
Ah.
yes? No. Okay, we will say no, they can't. No,
No,
they can't.
they can't.
Okay, very good. So this is how we answer the can question. If our answer is yes, we will say yes, they can. So that means they can do it. If our answer is no, we will answer it by no, they can't. Means
They
they can,
can't.
yes, very good. Means they cannot do it. Because what we mean by can't is cannot. So can't is short for cannot. So instead of using this longer word, we can just use can't. Can't. So make sure
Yes.
you, yes. So make sure you will not forget the T sound at the end because it sometimes can sound like can instead of can't. Can't. Okay? Okay, so let's practice more of this sentence pattern for you to be able to answer yes or no. Instead of just saying yes or no, we will say yes, they can. No, they can't. Okay,
Yes,
let's move.
they can.
Okay, very good. So now, let's look at these animals. Tiny. What animals are these? Look at the picture. What animals are this? What animal? This one with the box.
It's a
These
bat.
these are zebras.
Zebra.
Okay, one more time. What animals are this, Tiny? Zebras.
Zebra.
Okay, very good. Okay, now let's take a look. Can zebras run? Yes or no? Can zebras run? Yes or no?
Yes.
Hmm. Yes, okay. So instead of answering only yes, we will say yes, they can.
Yes. They
Yes,
can.
very good. One more time. Can zebras run?
シマウマは走れますか？はい。いいえ。
Yes or
Hi.
no?
Yes.
It's a yes, yes, they can. Yes. Okay. Instead of just saying yes, we will say yes, they can. Yes,
Yes,
they
they
can.
can.
Okay, let's try to say it 3 times for you to be able to remember it. Let's say, yes, they can. Yes, they can.
Yes, they
Yes,
can.
they can.
Yes, they can.
One more time.
Yes,
Yes.
they can.
Okay, very good. Okay, now let's take a look at this one. Can zebras hop? Can zebras hop or jump? Yes, they can, or no, they can't. Yes, they
Yes,
can.
they can.
Okay, this one.
シマウマは飛べますか？はい。飛べます。いいえ。飛べません。
Okay.
No,
Is no. Oh, your answer is no. Very good. So instead of answering no, we will say no, they can't. No, they
no,
they
can.
can't.
They can.
Okay, one more time. Can zebras hop? Yes or no?
No,
No, they can't.
they can.
Okay, one more time. One more time. So don't just say no. We will say no, they can't. Okay, one more time. Can
They
s-
can.
okay. Can zebras hop? Yes or no? Can zebras hop? Yes or no? No,
No. No.
they
They
can't.
can.
Okay, one more time. Let's practice the yes and no. Yes, they can. No, they can't. Let's say yes. Let's practice it. Yes, they can. No, they can't.
No, they can. Yes,
Yes.
they can.
Okay, very good. One more time. Let's practice the can't. Make sure to add the T sound. No, they can't. Can't. One more time.
Can.
No, they
Mm, They
can't.
can.
No, they can't.
No, they can.
Okay, perfect. Next, yes, they can.
Yes, they can.
Okay, yes, they can.
Yes, they can.
Okay, one more
Yes,
time.
they
The,
can.
one more time. Let's say,
Yes,
yes, they, they, they.
they.
Okay, yes, they can.
Yes, they can.
No, they can't.
No, they can.
Okay, perfect. Nice. Okay, now let's answer again this one. Can zebras hop? Yes or
Uh,
no? Can zebras hop? Yes or no? Can zebras
yes.
hop? Oh, is it a yes? Are you sure? They can jump? No, 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 no. They can't.
No, they
Uh,
can.
Okay, very good. Next, can zebras swim? Can zebras swim? Yes or no?
No,
Oh, are you sure? No. Let's look at the picture here or the word. It has a check. When we say check, it's a yes. But if we have here a red thing, it means no. So let's take a look. Do we have here a check or a red box? What is our answer? Can zebra swim? Yes or no? Can zebra swim? Yes or no?
yes.
Huh? Yes, very good. You say, yes, they can.
Yes, they can.
Okay, remember, instead of only answering yes or no, we will say, yes, they can. No, they can't. Yes, they can. No, they can't. Okay, can you try it? Yes, they can.
Yes, they can.
No, they can't.
No, they can.
Okay, very good. Yes, they can. No, they can't.
Yes, they can. No, I think
Okay, they can't.
they can.
Okay, perfect. So now next, can zebras walk? Yes or no? Can zebras walk? Yes, they can or no, they can't.
Yes, they can. No, I can.
Is the answer yes or no?
No,
Hmm? No, are you sure? Zebras cannot run?
yes, can.
Yes, they.
Yes, they.
Yes, they can.
Yes, they can.
Okay, very good. One more time. Can zebras walk? Yes or no? Can zebras walk? Yes, they can. No,
Yes,
they can't.
they. No, I Can.
What is your answer? Yes or no?
No, I can.
Ah, no, they can't. Yes, they can walk. Like people or like us, they can walk. Okay. One more time. Can zebras walk? Yes or no? Hmm. Hmm. Can zebras walk? Walk, walk, walk. Yes or no?
What?
Yes. Yes,
Yes.
they
No.
can.
Three. Can.
Okay. Okay, so now I think it's already our time, Thyme. So we will continue this lesson next time. So I think for this lesson, so you need to practice on answering instead of just saying yes or no, you will say yes, they can. No,
Yes,
they
I
can.
can. No, I can.
Okay, very good. So practice applying this answer into or practice it with your mommy and daddy for you to be able to practice yourself when answering our question: can zebras run? Can zebras hop? Or can zebras swim? And also, I think I already sent this material. So I will send it in our group chat for you to be able to review this lesson material. Okay? Okay, so thank you so much, Thyme, for your time today. I truly appreciate your presence and attending the class today. So I hope to see you again soon. And goodbye. Bye bye, Thyme. You
And
can now rest. Good night. Good night, good night. Bye bye, bye bye. See you again.
yeah,
You're
yeah.
so cute. Bye bye.